Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Toyota Camry paddle shifters. To begin, ensure your Camry is in D or S mode, which stands for drive or sport. The paddle shifters are typically located behind your steering wheel, with the right paddle for upshifting and the left for downshifting. They allow you to manually select gears, giving you more control over your driving experience. This can be particularly fun on winding roads or when you need quick acceleration. When you want to accelerate quickly or maintain higher RPMs, you'll use the right paddle. Simply pull the paddle towards you to shift up one gear. The car's display will show your current gear. Remember, the car's computer will prevent you from over-revving or damaging the engine, so it's quite forgiving. This is great for merging onto highways or passing other vehicles efficiently. For downshifting, you'll use the left paddle. Pull it towards you to drop down a gear. This is useful for engine braking when going downhill, or for getting into the power band before accelerating out of a turn. Be mindful not to downshift too aggressively at very high speeds, as this can cause a jolt. The car will automatically downshift if you come to a stop. To truly master paddle shifters, practice in a safe, open area away from traffic. Start by gently experimenting with upshifts and downshifts to get a feel for the timing and response. Always prioritize safe driving and keep your eyes on the road. Remember, these shifters are there to enhance your driving, not distract from it. Also, check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.